Hello dear friend, I'm Kamal Noori and here is Remote Sense Geosciences channel. I'm an associate professor in Iran at Azad Shiraz University, and today I want to talk about Radiance calculation. This operation used for collection to level 1 of Landsat 8 and Landsat 9. Let's do it. Converting dn value to radians by applying gain and offset for individual band, or radiance calculation. But this slide, converting dn values to radians by applying gain and offset for individual bands. What is the gain or what's the offset in the Landsat data? When we download satellite image of Landsat, for example, collection to level 1, we have an important file, MTL. Double click on this file and we have two important factors: old band and add band for band number 1 to band number 3. Radiance volt band, band number 1, band number 2 to band number 11, and radiance add band. This parameter, radiance add band number 1, 2, 3 to band number 11. Molt band or radiance molt band named gain, and radiance add band was named offset. And we have an important formula to transform dn value to radiance or radiance value. For example, radiance for band number 1 equal RMB or radiance molt band or gain multiple B1 plus RAB or radiance add band or offset. We can get these parameters from MTL band and use this formula to change dn value to radiance value. Let's do it. In NV software, we can do this operation. At the first, I download band number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then press on F12 button and see full extend this band and type band mass and click on band mass, and for example for band number 1, band number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, we can use this formula to change dn value to radiance value. Got the point? For example, for bond number 1, this formula, copy and paste in this pass, and then click on add to list, select this formula and OK. Next step, I should select bond number 1. Bond number 1, this one. OK, and choose destination file. For example, on desktop, I create new folder. This name and bond number 1 underline rad. Rad means radiance. And OK. And we can see the result. dn value change to radiance value. OK. And we can repeat this pass for bond number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Multispectral bonds. OK. Bond number 2, copy and paste in this pass, add to list, and select formula for bond number 2. OK, and select bond number 2, this bond. OK, and choose destination, bond number 2, underline rad. OK. OK. Repeat for bond number 3. Bond number 3, this formula, copy and paste, bond mass, Ctrl V or paste, add to list, select this formula, OK, and select bond number 3, OK, and choose destination file and name bond number 3 underline rad. OK, and repeat for bond number 4. Bond number 4, copy and paste, Ctrl V, add to list, select, OK, and select bond number 4, this one, OK, and choose destination file, bond number 4, open and OK, and repeat for bond number 5, 6, and 7. Bond number 5, copy and paste, Ctrl V, add to list, OK, and select bond number 5, this one, on number 5, okay, and destination on number 5, okay. And then formula for one number 6, copy and paste, add to list, select this formula and select one number 6, okay, and destination on number 6, okay, and final bond on number 7 from multi-spectral bonds, and then we can create layer stack on number 7, this formula, copy and paste, add to list, select, and bond number 7, this part, okay, and select bond number 7, underline rod or radiance, okay, and then we can close the n value bond and create layer stack with radiance bond, okay, press on F4 and close initial bond on number 7 to bond number 1 and close this bond, and then or another operation, creating layer stack by radiance bond, okay, I can type in this area stack and select this pass, bond, build bond stack, and select all bond, all radiance bond, okay, and click on OK, and destination file or output file, one 613139 underline rod means radiance and ls layer stack number 1. I think this is a nice name for this pass. Save and OK, and we can see the result, creating layer stack by radiance bond or radiance parameters, not by dn value. Okay, and for example we can create RGB 432 and load data. We can see the result. Okay, or maybe 1 2 3 and load data. We can see another result. Pay attention, dear friends. In collection 2 level 1, at the first we should convert data to Radiance and then create layer stack. But in collection 2 level 2, we should at the first creating layer stack and then convert to Radiance. Is important difference between collection 2 level 1 and collection 2 level 2. And next session we can talk about edit bonds, for example bond number or wavelengths. I hope this session useful for my dear friend, and thanks for your attention, my dear friend. Goodbye and have a nice time.